Good morning, Paul. Georgie from Allendale. It's December 12th, Monday morning, and start of a new week, and we've got excitement going here already. The U.S. dollar up sharply, basically because of the euro currency. Euro currency's down sharply here this morning, and that's because of uncertainty in the numbers and the data that came out of the summit in Brussels here over the weekend of the EU leaders. All the countries except for Britain agreed to the changes. However, many of them have to go back, and some have to have a public vote in order to ratify their changes. So the biggest concern of traders here this morning is the near-term cash crisis that's happening in the EU is not going to be solved. It could be 3 months before anything gets done, and therefore has got the possibility of the rating agencies lowering the ratings of the debt out of the EU. So a lot of uncertainties that, you say, well, is this really a surprise? Probably not, but the hope was there that something could be done because of the seriousness of the situation, yet we did not see any of that out of this summit. So that's the main force that's driving commodity prices down here this morning. Gold down sharply, and grains under pressure as well. Now the grain markets, the biggest issue there is the USDA report last Friday. We're getting some more selling there, pressure because of the larger ending stocks in corn in the world, and the increase in ending stocks here in the U.S. and soybeans. I mean, raising 35 million bushel ending stocks in soybeans is huge, and all of this comes basically because of poor demand. Export sales are very slow, and that's going to be what we're watching here this week. If we can get any kind of announcement that lower prices help us out and bring in some demand here on the world market, would be especially supportive, although we haven't seen any of that yet. The next USDA report comes in the middle of January. Everybody's going to be watching that, but we've got a lot of time before that happens here. We've got holiday markets that are going to be extremely choppy, and any headline news out of Europe or here in the U.S. certainly could cause some volatility as we go through the holidays here into the end of the year. The big numbers in next month is going to be, are they going to change supply in corn? That's a question that we've been asked many times, and we'll have some numbers and guesses on that here later on. Also, they can also change data on previous reports. So it's going to be a big report. Expect some extreme moves off of that report. So that's what we got to look forward to. But in the meantime, we've got to look forward to lighter trade, light volume, and volatility. In the livestock trade, equally as negative news there. Cash cattle did trade on Friday anywhere from $4 to $5 lower in the south, $5 lower in the north. Cutout values continue to be under pressure, $1.30 lower in the choice cutout here on Friday. So we need to see some demand step up there, and hopefully we can see the eastern or the Pacific Rim countries come in and do some buying here at these cheaper prices. Pork cutout was up 32 cents, but futures were under pressure on Friday, taking out some key technical chart support. We've got to monitor that here this week, and would expect and call livestock markets lower here on the opening, and then see if we can find some support underneath this thing and get us back into this stronger formation on the chart. So a lot going on, but volume expected to be lighter. Stay in touch with Allendale Research. We'd be happy to help you out any way we can. Also, remember, Allendale's got their annual conference coming up here in January 20th and 21st. We've got some outstanding speakers. We've got Drew Lerner going to be there and give us his first analysis and look for 2012 and what kind of weather we might expect and what kind of crop conditions we could expect here in 2012. And also we got Joel Hertz that's going to give us some ideas in his opinion on should you buy, should you rent, and very much worthwhile being there. You can get all the details right on our website. So give us a call, 800-262-7538. Have a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.